Y'all, this is honestly the best lip gloss ever.
Ain't no one don't hang with these bitches, they shady. They know I'm that bitch, they should call me first lady. Don't fuck with these niggas, no, they cannot play me. And now I don't bang, but you know I go first.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Kay here, and today I'm back with another video. As you can tell from the title, today's video is going to be a hair video. It's going to be a hair review on the curly hair that you guys see in my head right now, the most iconic hairstyle that you guys love. And you guys hit me up on Instagram all the time asking me about this hair, so y'all should have known a video is going to come very soon. Like, what do you mean? But to start off with the hair review, this hair is from ULAHAIR, which will be right here on the screen. So basically, the company had contacted me to, review the hair, make a video, honest review, So the hair that I have in right now is a Brazilian Deepwave. The lengths that I have, you guys, I have a frontal. But the lengths that I have a 26 and 228. And the length of the frontal, I'm honestly and truly not even sure, because when I received the hair, it didn't have like a length sticker on the packaging. But I am going to guess that this is part of the frontal, and it's actually kind of long. I'm gonna guess this is probably either a 22 or a 24 inch frontal. It's long. It's not super short, and it's not super long. Like, this is 28 inches. The bottom layer of the hair is 28 inches, then I only have one 26 inch bundle. So yeah, the frontal can't be no longer than a 22 inch. No, than a 24. So yeah, but overall, I had this hair in since February 14th, which is Valentine's Day. And this hair has held up very well. I think it has been like 2 weeks now. Like, it's about to be March. And this hair is so amazing, y'all. Like, I'm not even trying to gas the company. Like, y'all, they did not pay me or anything. This is all me. This is an honest review, all that. Because I know how the sponsored videos get on YouTube. But honestly and truly, out of all the curly hairstyles that I've had on this channel, and just in general, this is probably the best deep wave hair that I have ever had. And I usually try to not take away, but stay away from deep wave hair, because I never used to like it because the curl was just really loose for my hair texture. Because I wasn't always wearing frontals, and well, I never wore a closure before, but I wasn't always wearing frontals, so I always had to get hair that was like a kinky curl to match my leave out. But honestly, I love this hair so much with the frontal. I love it. You guys, I applied it myself. But yeah. But the hair was made into a unit by my best friend. Y'all get at her. So she made the hair into a unit with me. I'm pretty sure she doubled the wefts when making the wig. So with that, going along with shedding, I don't have a lot of shedding unless if I'm brushing through the hair, like detangling it. And I mean, that's expected. It's curly hair tangles. You're not gonna get any curly hair that does not tangle when it's dry. That's just, no, you're not going to. But when I received the hair was very soft. It still is very soft. It's very soft. I love it so much, guys. This hair is still soft. Like, y'all know how some curly hair gets real stiff and matted? This hair has not been that, and I had it in for about 2 weeks now. Another thing, the hair didn't come with a smell, thank God, because I know a lot of hair come with like a Frito smell, like stank. But this hair didn't have no type of smell. It came very soft. Tangling, I mean, is expected because it's curly hair, like I said, it's deep wave. And shedding is little to none. Unless if you are brushing this hair hard as hell, of course you're gonna get shedding. But if you know how to maintain curly hair, and wet it and put the leave-in conditioner, and then detangle it, you're gonna be fine. Shedding is not a problem for me, honestly and truly. Now with the hair, I was kind of skeptical. I wish I could show you guys. I don't have any extra like wefts or anything to show you guys how the curl pattern was. It was kind of tight for a deep wave, so I was kind of just like, this kind of looks like a kinky curl, but it really isn't. Like, I really mess with the texture, you guys. I love it so much. But in all honesty, I rate this hair a 10. 1 through 10. This hair is a 10. I recommend this hair. Like, literally, I get stopped in public about this hair. I recommend it. I think this is probably the best. A lot of people want curly hair for spring break. I recommend this hair for spring break. I'm going to have this hair for spring break. And with dyeing it, I haven't tested dyeing it yet, so I'm not really sure how well it takes on bleach yet, but that will be coming very soon. And the hair color is, it's not a black, it's a very dark brown, so that would probably be like a number 2. I would put it in the category of a number 2 hair color. And overall, it's very nice. The frontal, let me tell you guys about the frontal. So when I received the frontal, y'all know how frontals are real thick around, like, just when you get a new frontal, it's not plucked or anything. But with this frontal, we barely had to pluck it because it just came very thin at the beginning. Not too thin where it looks like, you know, like, oh, something is wrong with it. Like, this frontal has alopecia. No offense to people who has that for real. But yeah, it wasn't like that. It came semi-plugged. I was really surprised because we was looking at it, we was like, there's nothing really wrong with the frontal, but of course we wanted to like thin it up anyway to create baby hairs, and so we did that. But I was so impressed with the frontal. I can say that. I wish I took a picture of it before installing the hair because the frontal came very, very nice. But honestly, this hair is great for the summer and the winter. I know a lot of people that want to wear curly hair during the winter because it gets hot during the summer. Y'all don't want all this hair on your head. Yes, the hair does get hot. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I live in Georgia. The weather right now is like 75 through 80. Yeah, the hair gets hot. But I like big hair. So that's just me. I don't care about the weather or the temperature. I don't leave the house until about 5 o'clock anyway. So yeah. But honestly, you guys, that's about it for this video. I highly recommend this hair. I honestly think this is the best curly hair ever. Out of all the companies that I have worn, this is the best curly hair. So I highly recommend this hair. And make sure you guys check out the hair company's Instagram. I'm gonna leave the website Instagram in the description so you guys can go check them out. And that's it. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video, and let me know what you guys think about this hair in the comments if you ever tried it before. All right.